Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study chemical reaction of class 10. So let's begin this chapter. First, what is chemical equation or chemical reaction? You can say both. So it is a process in which substance or substances undergo change to produce new substance with the new properties are known as chemical reactions. For example, I'm writing here H2 plus O2. It forms H2O. They both are in gas form and it is in water form, or you can say liquid form. So when these two, H2 and O2 goes under, these two are substances and these two undergo a change, it forms H2O, which is a liquid. So this is a chemical equation. So now there is also many things like what are these things called? These things are called reactants and this is called product. So I'm going to write it here. It is called product and these are called reactants. So there are mainly 4 topics in this chapter. First is balancing. So in this video we are just covering balancing, and further video we will cover next more another topics. So what is balancing? As you can see here, chemical equation, rules for chemical equation, and balanced and unbalanced chemical equations. A chemical equation is a shorthand representation of chemical reaction using the symbol and formula of substances involved in this chemical reaction. So it is the thing that you have also learned in your previous classes, so I'm not going to tell you about this. We're just directly going to balanced and unbalanced chemical equations. So what is a balanced chemical equation? You have also learned the law of conservation of mass in your previous classes in class 9. According to that law, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. So, a balanced chemical equation in which one contains an equal number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. This equation represents the between zinc and sulfuric acid. For example, we are just going to write about Zn plus H2SO4 is equal to ZnSO4 plus H2. Sorry of the noise because I am having cold. Okay, so let's go further. So how do we know that this is a balanced equation? For that you have to write here one element. Here left side and the last right side. Now put Zn here, H here and SO4 here. So how much Zn is here and in left side and right side? In left side it is 1 and in right side it is also 1. Hydrogen it is 2 and it is also 2, and SO4 it is 1 and here also 1. So we can see that it is a balanced chemical equation, and there are also more you have to learn, but this is the main process and this is only a balanced chemical equation. You will given a chemical equation in which are not unbalanced, which are unbalanced. So for example, take Mg plus 2HCl is equal to MgCl2 plus H2. So you also make the column element left side and right side. Now also name every element in this box. Mg hydrogen and chlorine. As you can see here, it is 2, so it is all for all these 2 hydrogen and 2 Cl. So Mg, it is 1 and it is 1. So Mg is balanced. Hydrogen, it is 2 here and it is also 2 here. And Cl is 2 here balanced and it is also balanced here. So Mg plus 2HCl is equal to MgCl2 plus H2 is a balanced equation. Now I'm going to show you in this book. It is an equation given here. They are given it. And now, since all types of atom are equally numbered, the equation is balanced. The balanced equation is Mg plus 2HCl is equal to MgCl2 plus H2. And now what we have done, same thing. Okay, now we are going to do some questions which are given in the books. So I'm just giving you these questions. I'm just giving you a proper time and then show these questions to me. For writing this question in your copy, just pause this video and just write it. So the first question is Mg plus H2O is equal to Mg OH2 plus H. It is in whole where you can say it is O2 and H2 both. So this equation is first equation. I'm giving you one more equation. AlCl3 plus CaOH2 is equal to 2AlOH3 plus 3CaCl2. Now solve these questions. As I've hoped you have made these questions, but now I'm just going to tell you. So first we are writing here like that above. And also one thing, these types of questions will come in 2 to 3 marks if it is written in this form, like Mg plus H2O. It will be written in name like magnesium oxide plus hydrochloric acid, or magnesium plus magnesium sulfate, or like this. So I'm just going to tell you how to balance these questions I have given here right now. So what is Mg? Mg is here 1 and it is also 1 there. Hydrogen is 2 here. It is also 2, but it is 4. So it is 4 here. And last is oxygen. So also make a row for oxygen. Oxygen is here 1 and here oxygen is 2. So what shall we do here to make it balanced? So Mg, we will not touch Mg because Mg has been balanced. H2O, it is given here, so we will write here 2H2O. We can write only here, not we can write here O2 or O4. We can write only above before all these equations. So we have right here 2H2O is equal to Mg OH2 plus H2. Okay, so now do it. We will also here write that element left side. I'm just doing it real quick. And right side, don't judge my handwriting here, I'm just doing it real quick. Mg, hydrogen and oxygen. Mg is 1, hydrogen is 4, and oxygen is 2. Hence it is a balanced equation now. So what is the right form? Mg plus 2H2O, 2 bracket open H2. You can, but we call it 2H2O, so you have to know this about. Okay, so second question, AlCl3 plus CaOH is equal to 2AlClCOH3 plus 3CaCl2. So this question we are going to solve now. Okay, question AlCl3 plus CaOH2, way back is equal to 2AlOH3 plus 3CaCl2. And now Ca, calcium. Here it is 1 calcium and here it is 3 calcium. I have here written around. Chlorine, it is 6 here, as you have seen. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So calcium, it is 3 in right side and it is 1 in left side. And OH. OH is 2 this side and left side and 3 in right side. And now we will make this. How can we make this? So we can make this a balanced chemical equation by this 2AlCl3. So according to this 2Al हो जाएगा और 3 to 6Cl हो जाएगा plus 3CaOH2 is equal to 2AlOH3 plus 3CaCl2. Cl2. And now just put it here as it is given. Element left, right. Al 2 2, Cl 6 6, calcium 3 3, and hydrogen oxide 3 3. Hence now it is a proven, it is a balanced chemical equation. So that's it for today. Now we will